What is fatty liver disease in the beginning? 8 signs that your liver is fat. Fatty liver disease is a disease in which fat builds up in your liver. Steatosis of the liver. This can make the liver swell up and become infected, causing health problems like belly fat, high blood pressure, kidney problems or a swollen gallbladder, and diabetes. At some point, the liver can get so injured that scar tissue or fibrosis grows inside, which makes it hard for your liver cells to clean your blood, causing your cells to collect toxins. Because of what they eat, more than 25% of adults around the world have fatty liver disease. Why a liver gets fat? Bad things to eat. So the question is, what makes a liver fat to begin with? One of the biggest reasons why a liver gets fat is because eating too much margarine, cottonseed, corn, soy, or canola oil, which is high in omega-6. It can cause heart disease because it makes the liver cells inflame, which stops absorption from happening normally with fats. A fatty liver can also happen if you eat too many sugary foods, which are turned into fat in the liver, into free fatty acids, which can cause the liver to get plugged up. Another reason is drinking too much alcohol, which turns on genes that tell the liver to store fat instead of getting rid of it. The liver quickly converts high fructose corn syrup to fat, but it's not good for your health. Added to more than 80% of prepared foods, especially soda drinks, sauces, and fast foods to make them more delicious. In rare cases, some drugs, medicine, and even viruses can cause liver damage by causing fat to accumulate. Most of the time, fatty liver disease doesn't show up on a liver enzyme blood test, and it gets worse over time. It can go on for years without being found until the liver is very damaged. So, in today's video, I'll show you the top 8 signs of fatty liver disease. Number 1. Pain in the right shoulder. If you feel pain or tightness in your right shoulder, neck, jaw, or below your right shoulder, a fatty liver could be the root of the shoulder blade pain. Your liver makes bile, a liquid that helps your body break down fats, like foods or olive oil, for example. When your liver is full of fat, the bile can get thicker and stuck, which makes you sick. It causes the liver and gallbladder to become swollen and inflamed. This puts pressure on the phrenic nerve that runs up your right side, causing transferred pain in the back and neck muscles on the right side of your upper back. Number 2. Stomach fat. If you have a big pot belly or a lot of fat around your middle, you probably also have a lot of fat in your liver. Fat starts to build up in the liver, and when there's no more room, it starts to build up in other organs, spreading around your gut and turning into visceral and subcutaneous fat. Visceral fat is the most dangerous because it can stop your systems from working as they should. It can cause heart problems and high blood pressure. Even if you don't have a pot belly, you can still have a fatty liver. You may not know you have visceral fat around your innards. Number 3. Costochondritis, or pain in the ribs. If you have pain on the right side of your ribs, bile sludge could be to blame. This has built up in your stomach or liver. This sludge is made up of a lot of cholesterol and usually forms when your liver is too fat, or your gallbladder is inflamed and the bile has become too thick. This irritates or presses on the cartilage in your ribs, which can make you feel a lot of pain. These little rib hinges can start to stiffen up, especially if you sit at a desk all day. A problem called costochondritis that makes it worse. Number 4. Spider veins or angioma. People with liver damage also have more estrogen in their bodies because the liver can't get rid of it. To get rid of any extra hormones, higher estrogen makes your veins weaker, which can lead to spider veins showing up on your skin. Most of the time, these have a red dot in the middle and reddish arms that reach out from it, the center. If you find this information useful, please click the like button, sign up for the newsletter, and turn on all alerts to get my latest tips on health and diet. Number 5. Gynecomastia. If you're a man with a fatty liver, the higher amounts of estrogen that build up can lead you to develop female breast tissue. Usually, it starts out as a lump of fat under the nipple, and when you touch the nip, it might hurt or feel soft. Number 6. Edema or swelling in the right foot. It's very normal for the right foot and ankle to swell more than the left. It is a sign that there is a damage to your liver. When you press your finger into an area that is swollen, it may leave a mark because it has pitting edema, which means it is full of fluid. This is because the liver isn't getting enough blood flow. Number 7. Cholestatic pruritus. Itchy hands and feet when the liver gets fat. Bile can get stuck in it and make it hard to work. This bile can start to seep out and build up under the skin, causing histamines to be released and build up in the blood, which causes a response that makes the bottom of your feet itch or your fingers itch. Number 8. Low thyroid or hypothyroidism. Damage to the liver is a common cause of hypothyroidism or slow thyroid. your liver activates the T4 part of your thyroid hormone and changes it into T3. But if you have cirrhosis or a fatty liver, this change can't happen as quickly. You have trouble with your thyroid and your metabolism. Number 9. Constant fatigue, always feeling tired or lethargy. There are many things that can make you tired, but a big liver is one of the main reasons why people feel tired. When there is too much fat in the liver and not enough bile is made, you'll get jaundice. A fight to absorb enough fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, K, and carotenoids that plants have. This makes your body have fewer vitamins, which makes you feel weaker and more tired and move slowly. If you have a few of these signs, you should definitely go to the doctor. Ask to have an ultrasound. This is a very simple test that uses sound waves to take a picture of your liver and its network to see if there are any fat deposits building up in the blood vessels. The liver is one of the few organs in the body that can heal and grow back fully. How to make fatty liver disease go away? Let's look at 6 changes you can make to your life to help you lose fat from your liver, which lets it heal on its own. Number 1. Get rid of margarine, soy oil, corn, cottonseed, canola, and other vegetable oils. Cheap oils like these are often used to cook fast food and packed foods, so start cooking at home using healthy options like organic raw coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and avocado oil that was pressed cold. These healthier fats are full of good things for you like vitamin E, which helps scars fade. The liver is made up of muscle. Number 2. Start taking good digestive enzyme pill an hour before you eat each meal, which has pure bile, pancreatine, and betaine. This helps thin the bile in your liver so it can break down fat and clear your system out of the body part. If you want, you can also take 300 milligrams of CDP choline. These lipotropic nutrients help make your own bile, which is your better cleanser that gets rid of fat. Number 3. Cut back foods that are high in sugar, starch, or grains such as sweetbreads, cakes, pasta, rice, and potato. Replace these with anti-inflammatory foods like salmon from wild grass-fed meats and farm-raised eggs. These have a lot of choline and lecithin, which are nutrients that strip fat from the liver. Eat a lot of organic veggies with a lot of sulfur in them, like garlic, asparagus, onions, and leeks, along with cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and radishes. Sulfur helps enzymes in your liver break down fat and get rid of toxins in your body, like drinking alcohol. Number 4. Take 150 mg of milk thistle powder twice or 3 times a day to help your liver get rid of toxins. This plant is full of silymarin, a chemical that makes more glutathione. This is the most important antioxidant. It heals and rebuilds liver cells that have been damaged to redness in every part of the body. Number 5. To help your liver heal, you need to stop eating small meals and snacks frequently in a day to give the fat time to break down. Intermittent fasting is a good way to do this. Start the day in a 4-hour window and then go without food for 20 hours. Fasting starts a process called autophagy, which allows your liver to repair old scar tissue and broken proteins and turn them into new parts or hepatocytes that the liver can use. Number 6. To fix fatty liver disease, you need to keep your blood sugar stable and help your body take in more nutrients. Start drinking 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, 2 tablespoons of raw lemon juice, and 500 milliliters of water on an empty stomach every morning. This drink is full of vitamin C, acetic acid, and citric acid, which helps to clean the liver, stop it from storing fat, and help it make more bile. This is one of the best ways to heal and is also easy to do. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, happiness, and pleasure.